In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod end on a Jeep Cherokee. It's located behind the front wheel. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. They are not lug nuts. Put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that 5th one out. Now that we have the wheel off, we have clear view of the inner and outer tie rods. We're going to start by loosening this jam nut. It is a 24mm nut. Now you can take off your 18mm nut for your outer tie rod. Give this a little tap. And pop that out of the knuckle. Now that you have the outer off, you want to count the turns turning counterclockwise out. Remember that number. Count your turns. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16. Remember that number? Results may vary. You want to clean your threads. That way the new tie rod will spin right on. Now you can apply some anti-seize to the outer. Now we install our outer tie rod, remembering that number when we took it apart. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16. Now take your outer tie rod, slide it into your knuckle, and put your nut on. You want to tighten that up. And you're going to torque that at 22 foot-pounds. You want to tighten your jam nut counterclockwise until it bottoms out against the outer tie rod. And for your reinstall, line up your holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Okay guys, you're almost done. You want to hop in that driver's seat, take it for a nice road test, make sure there's no funny noises, and then take it for a 4-wheel alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.